On this episode of Clyde's Cache, we go to Niagara Falls. We track down a geocache, get soaked in the Cave of the Winds, and much more. Stick around.
Going to that one?
Yep, we'll go over.
Come on, let's keep walking. Down this path. Is this where we go for the geocache?
I think so.
Alright guys, we're gonna look for the geocache. This can be big or
These
small.
are blackberries. Look. What type are these? What are these, Daddy?
I don't know. I don't know if they're blackberries.
I don't drop them.
They're blackberries, but...
Can I try? They tried.
Is there a fallen tree?
Right here.
Yeah.
These are really good.
Also down there.
It's a blackberry.
Back by that fallen tree.
Oh.
See it.
Oh, there it is. Found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Bring it
Found
over
the
here.
geocache. Oh. We found it, Betty.
What's in it?
Want to open it?
Oh, you want to see it?
Brian, see it.
Oh, there's just a logbook.
No toys, huh?
Aw.
Wow.
Hey, we can leave some Clyde cash.
toys?
Look at all the people that found them.
No, I'm gonna try to not bend it that much. Got it. And then I'm gonna put this in there.
And the beauty of Niagara Falls has been overwhelmed by crass commercialism and bleak industry. The lands surrounding Niagara Falls are largely controlled by private owners.
Thank you.
Holy moly! We're at the bottom of American Falls, and it's wet. We have ponchos on, but I'm still wet underneath somehow. But it's amazing. No, that's like... This is 4 feet.
Betty,
Yeah.
come over here. There's another snake. Betty, there. There's another snake.
Maybe that's what